Incredible Legos. All right, let's see. We got the Junior edition, ages 4 to 7 of the Legos Incredibles. Anthony just got the movie. It was his birthday, last month. Finally went out and got him something with some of the birthday money that he got. All right, let's open it up and check it out. All right.
Like this. Wow, boing.
What we got so far. Had to move it up to the table. So the baby and the little dog couldn't get it. Doing a really good job so far, buddy.
Yeah. Well, I did a good job. Oh! Daddy, you can open all the way. Look at this. It can go all the way high. Yeah. I see. That's good. Boing. Boing, 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 boing. Meow.
All right.
We can find help.
Which piece are you looking for? Show me on here.
Another one of this sheet.
One of the seats.
Yeah, 2.
Can you find it?
Nope.
Where is it? There it is.
But I always found this too.
Good job. Andrew, dude, you can't take the phone. We're trying to do a video shoot, dude, man. What's going on, Andrew?
Thank you, Wunchika, Bunchika.